Welcome. If you're tired of constant in-app notifications every time someone mentions you on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to prevent in-app notifications from mentions on Pinterest, right from your PC, using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Settings. This will open up your Pinterest settings page. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications. Click on it to reveal all the notification preferences you can customize. Here, you'll see different types of notifications that Pinterest sends you, both in-app and via email. Now, focus on the option that says Mentions at Pins You Saved. This is the setting that controls notifications when someone mentions you in a pin that you've saved. Click on this option to open its preferences. You'll notice there's a toggle for in-app notifications. If you want to stop receiving those pop-ups and alerts, simply disable the in-app option by clicking on the toggle. It should turn off, indicating that you'll no longer get in-app notifications for mentions. Before you leave, make sure to click Save at the bottom of the page. This step is important to ensure your new settings are applied. And that's it. You've successfully turned off in-app notifications for mentions on Pinterest. Now you can enjoy browsing and saving pins without the distraction of constant notifications. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making your online experience smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.